Hi, my name is Yassine. I'm a registered dietitian, and today I'll be making beet salad. For this recipe, you'll need beets, carrots, potatoes, jalapenos, cilantro, salt, olive oil, and lemon. This recipe is simple, but it can be time consuming because you have to do a significant amount of chopping. I usually cook my beets and my potatoes ahead of time and I chop it the next day. This salad is served best cold, so it's not like you can eat it hot right away. So it just needs a little bit of prep time. I use my Instapot to cook my potatoes and beets. I cook them separately because the potatoes cook a whole lot faster than the beets. And once I'm done cooking my beets, I save the water that drips at the bottom. If you decide to boil or use other methods, just make sure to save some fluids. You're going to use it later in the dressing. The carrots you can either do cooked or you can do raw. I switch it up. If you decide to do raw, it will have a little bit more crunch. If you decide to do cooked, it won't have the crunch, but it's a little bit sweeter. It has a different taste. I recommend both, just depends. Once you're done chopping all your ingredients, place them in a bowl and prepare your dressing. For your dressing, place a handful of cilantro, jalapenos, olive oil, the juice that you saved from your beets, salt, and blend rice. And adjust the fluid as you need. And once you reach a consistency that you desire, add the lemon and it's ready. Mix it all up and serve. I served mine with a side of fish and it was delicious. I love this recipe, especially during the summertime when you just want something refreshing and cold. Now a quick lesson on beets. These vegetables are not only delicious, but they're very nutritious. They're complex carbs with fiber, and they're rich sources of vitamins and minerals. They also have an organic nitrogen, and this has been a subject of many studies. It's believed that beets can help lower blood pressure and enhance exercise performance. They also have other chemicals like phytosterols. This is a chemical that looks like cholesterol but is not cholesterol and is only found in plants. And this cholesterol-like compound that's only found in plants helps lower human cholesterol in the body. Beets also have that red deep color, and they get this color from a compound called betaine. And this compound is believed to have an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. When food comes into light and has, potential health benefits, there is always this rush to extract that special compound, bottle it, and sell it as a supplement. Like I always say, there's a place for supplements, but there is something more beneficial in consuming the food as a whole. So make your beet salad and enjoy the health benefits.